After slicing everything legally possible, I've ruined a few swords, and here's my most destroyed blade of all. But first, here are some honorable mentions. This mini katana is chipped quite a bit because I was throwing it at my house, which causes it to slip in and out of its saya, and whenever I hold onto it, the blade feels very loose, and now I'm scared to use it. And my tetanus katana, my go-to for slicing. Look at all this rust and gunk on here. Honestly, I thought there'd be more, but either way, you don't have this issue because you have a katana cleaning kit to prevent this, right? Right? However, the most destroyed sword I own is one that was completely shattered in half when I bought it. I was so confused because I've lost katanas in the snow for months, and they're actually in better condition than this thing. Look at it and tell me how you think this thing broke so cleanly.